Teacher Reports. At the end of this video, you will be able to access teacher reports, run teacher item analysis reports, run teacher student mastery reports, run teacher tracker comparison reports, and run teacher comparison reports. Accessing teacher reports. To access reports from the student's view in a tracker, hover over the assessment name and select Reports. Reports can also be accessed from the assessment's tracker view. Select the bar graph icon to view reports. Note, a filled-in bar graph icon indicates data is available for that assessment. Selecting reports from either location will open up the Assessment Details Reports tab. Running teacher item analysis reports. By default, the reports link will open up to the item analysis report. The item analysis report includes the question number and standard alignment. The bar graph represents student answers. The correct answer is indicated by the green bar as well as a circle around the correct response letter. Below the bar graph, the question type, maximum point value, depth of knowledge, or DOK, and item name is also listed. Selecting a bar on the graph displays a list of students who chose that answer. The item analysis report has several view options. The default view will be for the current tracker. Select the View Options drop-down to view the item analysis report by class, tracker, teacher, or team. Canvas users with cross-listed courses will also be able to see data by section. Note, if you are not part of a team, the team option will not be available. Select the print icon to print out the bar graph report. A more detailed item analysis report can also be exported to provide a deeper level of performance analysis and help determine the rationale for student outcomes. Select the Export button next to the printer icon, and a CSV export will automatically download. Trainer tip. The exported item analysis report contains class and student information, as well as expanded metadata on question performance. Metadata includes standard alignment, DOK, passage genre, overall percent correct, and student answers for most item types such as short text, essay, and TEI questions. Utilizing the item analysis report is a great way to dive deeper into student performance on standards. Running teacher student mastery reports. The Student Mastery Report displays the mastery levels of your students by standard and allows for further disaggregation by demographics. The Student Mastery Report for single standard assessments displays the score for data for all students enrolled in the tracker on the left versus those with scores on the right. Select any segment to see the corresponding label information. The Multi-Standard Student Mastery Report provides this information, but the data is broken out by individual standards. The columns represent the overall percentage by category. Select a section from any bar graph to view details. Like the item analysis report, you can select view options to see data from other trackers and teachers in your school. The demographic options filter further breaks down scores by the selected demographic. It is important to note that your district's SIS system provides these demographic filters. Running teacher tracker comparison reports. To compare standards mastery across multiple trackers, select the tracker comparison report. This report will only show you your data and not other teachers' data. Select the teacher comparison report, if available, to view other teachers' data. For single standard assessments, the y-axis indicates the number of students in each mastery category, and the x-axis lists all trackers using this assessment. A gray bar indicates that a student did not take the assessment. The multi-standard tracker report breaks down your trackers into performance categories: mastery comparison, near mastery comparison, and remediation comparison. Each tracker is represented by a unique color, with the key on the right showing the tracker color and the tracker name it represents. This allows you to compare standard performance by category to each tracker, giving you specific information about how each class performed and further insight into possible reasons for differences. To filter your tracker comparison report, select the View Options drop-down list. This report can be filtered by Active Only, Archived Only, or Active and Archive. There is also a drop-down to sort by school year. Run teacher comparison reports. The teacher comparison report allows you to view the mastery levels of another teacher in your school who gave the same common assessment. This report allows teaching teams to collaborate in order to support each other when looking for opportunities to grow within professional communities. The view option is defaulted to Teachers in My School. If you are part of a team, then the option to view results for your team will be available in the drop-down menu. This report can also be filtered by tracker status and school year. You can exclude teachers who do not yet have scores by selecting the Exclude No Scores checkbox. For single standard assessments, each mastery rating is represented by its own color-coded bar with teachers on the x-axis and percent of mastery on the y-axis. For multi-standard assessments, the teacher comparison report breaks down the mastery ratings by individual graphs, with each standard located on the x-axis and the percent of mastery on the y-axis. Each teacher is represented by a unique color-coded bar. The print feature is located at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to print your report for either single or multi-standard assessments. Trainer tip. Teacher reports can provide powerful insight into student mastery trends. Leverage these reports to help identify standards that might require extra attention for an individual class of students or identify discrepancies across classes or teachers. It is also a great way to celebrate success and see where students are excelling.